Hello, my friends and family. Good evening. Assalamu alaikum. You remember the other day, me and my son, we went to buy a fridge, and I had uploaded a video, and everybody gave me so much love and support. Thank you so much. So here's the fridge, and sorry, it's been. I mean, I was trying to upload the video, but I was so busy. So I would like to show you my fridge today. And ਇਹ ਨਾ ਸਮਝਣਾ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸ਼ੋਅ ਕਰਨ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਭਰਿਆ, ਇਹ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਭਰਿਆ ਰਹਿੰਦਾ ਹੈ। ਇਹ ਨਾ ਖੁਦਾ ਤਾਲਾ ਦੀ ਰਹਿਮਤ ਹੈ, ਮੇਰੇ ਮਾਂ-ਬਾਪ ਦੀ, ਮੇਰੇ ਫੈਮਿਲੀ, ਮੇਰੇ ਦੋਸਤਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਦੁਆਵਾਂ ਹੈ। ਖੁਦਾ ਤਾਲਾ ਨੇ ਰਿਜ਼ਕ ਅਤਾ ਫਰਮਾਇਆ। ਮੈਂ ਅੱਲਾਹ ਤਾਲਾ ਦੀ ਮਸ਼ਕੂਰ ਹਾਂ ਔਰ ਉਹਦਾ ਕਰਮ ਆ। ਇਹ ਐਸੇ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਭਰਿਆ ਰਹਿੰਦਾ ਹੈ। ਇਹ ਨਾ ਸਮਝਣਾ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦਿਖਾਉਣ ਲਈ ਭਰਿਆ। ਆਓ ਜੀ। As an our fridge, and this is the look from inside, and this is glass shelf, but मैं ना थोड़ा जिहा उत्थे बिछाया ताकि मैनू बार बार क्लीनिंग ना करनी पे। ते ए जनाब खुलियां खुलियां शेल्फां आ ते ए सारी ब्रेड पई है, फिश ते ए जी बाकलावा, ड्रिंक्स, बटर ते ए मिल्क सारा। ਤੇ ਇਹ ਸਾਰੇ ਨਾ ਮੈਂ ਘਰ 'ਚ ਰੋਟੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਬਣਾਉਂਦੀ ਤੇ ਅਗਰ ਸਮ ਟਾਈਮ ਵੀ wanna eat something like bread or naan, so these are two vegetable boxes. So dairy product, eggs, और एक मिल्क ਇੱਥੇ ਪਿਆ, और ਇਹ ਸਾਰਾ cheese cheese slices, mature cheese and butter. And the most important thing I would like to show you, this is water tank, and you need to fill it maximum, and this water goes here, and this is ice maker, and drop ice here, and I'll show you. Just put the glass. This is water. If you want water, just press it and water will come. So this is the water. And that's how you can get water. And this is crushed ice. Okay, and this is cubes. जी जनाब, ते हुण तुसी कहोगे कि any ice, any cubes, any crushed ice, ਇਹਦੀ ਕੀ ਜ਼ਰੂਰਤ ਹੈ? ਤੇ ਬੜਾ ਠੰਡੀ ਕੰਟਰੀ, yes, this is ਠੰਡੀ country. But everybody likes crushed ice and cold water, and tap water is also really cold, but sometimes you want to drink, I mean, diluted type of drink, so you need it. And this is freezer. So this is kind of ice cream and pastries and frozen cakes. This is kind of a drawer. And there's another freezer. There's a drawer. This is a vegetable drawer. So all the vegetables are placed here. This is the designated area for vegetables. This is meat. This is all chicken, I mean white meat, and this is red meat, lamb meat, ਜਿਹੜਾ ਛੋਟਾ ਗੋਸ਼ਤ ਵਗੈਰਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ, ਇਹ ਸ਼ੈਂਕਸ ਵਗੈਰਾ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਖੋਲ ਕੇ ਦਿਖਾਣੀ ਹੈ। ਤੇ shanks and fish, more meat. ਤੇ ਇਹ ਸਾਰੇ ਦੇ What is the name of this fridge? I don't know how to pronounce, to be honest. Some hi. So some words are so tricky, so it's really hard to pronounce them. But this fridge is really nice, and some storage is you can see on the top. Boxes are this jo marzi rakh lo. It's entirely up to you. So I'm so happy to have this fridge. I'm so lucky. And there's another big fridge in the dining room because we are 4 family member, and we need lots of grocery, lots of food, lots of meat, especially meat. Meat तो बगैर इस घर च कोई कुछ नहीं खाता. बोटी. हाय बोटी. साढ़े जेह्ड़े बुथाड़ देख के थोनू पता लग रहा है कि बोटियां खूब खाने. Thank you so much for watching this video. I love you all. Please subscribe to my channel and share the link with your friends and family. Give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below. And I'll see you next time. Inshallah ta'ala. Khuda Hafiz.